talking about butts. Stop asking me where my butt is. Where's your little butt? Where's my butt? You so cheeky. Oh, well, indeed, cheeky boy. Where's your butt? What's the fascination with butts? You pretended to drink your water. Did you want a glass of water? Do you want some? You want apple and what else? Water? Are you pretending to eat apple? Why are you so funny? Don't spit. Cold? You've got problems, you have. You're too smart, you are. You're not cold. You're a big fat faker.